Make money online by just searching on Google. Google is the best search engine on the internet, so why not use its power to make money online? The internet is the only place where people get information about things they need, so why not use it to generate income? That's exactly what we do here. There are numerous ways to make money online today, but one of the easiest, most direct, and most lucrative way to make money online is just searching on Google. For a moment, it sounds like crap, but rethink about it if you haven't explored the money-making methods by searching. In today's world, one of the main sources of income for every single person is through online jobs, and it is possible to make money by just searching on Google. So the question that comes up is, how does one make money by searching on Google? The answer to that is quite simple. There are many sites online that pay you for doing what you already do. That is, typing on the search box and typing in keywords. Some of the direct and indirect ways are: Number 1. Keyword research. Most people assume that keyword research means finding the words that other websites use to describe their products. And while that is a part of it, keyword research involves a lot more than that. Simply finding relevant keywords. To do successful keyword research, you must understand how the search engine works, why they prioritize certain words over others, and how this affects your rankings. Moreover, the keyword research stage is where the entire idea of building your marketing companion around keywords come together. We all know that Google ranks search results by showing how many people click on the website. So if you have an idea that you want to rank highly in Google searches, you have to come up with ways to get traffic to your site. Keywords are a way to get traffic, and a good keyword research strategy will ensure that your keyword is the reflection of what people are actually searching for. Free keyword research tools. First of all, Google Trends. Google Trend is a free tool created by Google. The idea behind the tool is that it allows you to see if your current keywords are growing or declining over time. The tool analyzes millions of search queries from Google every day to find out whether or not there's been a significant increase or decrease in search volume in a specific time period. The tool can also give you an idea of what percentage of queries in a particular category is being performed as opposed to another, and what the average search volume in a category is. This web tool shows you what people in a certain area are searching for over time. You simply enter a location and a keyword into the search bar and you receive a chart showing how popular a particular term has been over time. It can be a great starting point when trying to figure out what people are looking for in a particular area. Simply go to trends.google.com and explore the world's trend powered by databases. You can also compare political parties, economies, countries, products, celebrities, and much more. Second tool is Answer the Public. Answer the Public is a free tool that makes it easy to get answers to your question from the community at large. The site is part of the Public Library's collection of online resources. It's a great place to start if you're looking to learn about a topic that aren't sure where to begin. Once you submit a question, a community of people will respond with ideas, suggestions, and sometimes even answer to your question. Go to answerthepublic.com and get search queries ideas. The third tool is the Keyword Surfer. Keyword Surfer is a tool that helps you find new keywords and phrases that are related to the ones you have been already using. This is great for finding keywords that you have been missing out on and for discovering new opportunities. You can use Keyword Surfer to find new keywords that are similar to your existing keywords and then analyze the result to see if they are worth pursuing. Keyword Surfer offers a Chrome extension that allows you to see how much people are searching for specific keywords and phrases. It also allows you to see if there are any gaps in your keyword strategy. So, moving towards our second way of making money by searching. Number 2. Guest posting. Guest posting is a very easy way to boost traffic to your blog, increase brand awareness, and promote yourself as an expert in your field. There are many reasons why guest blogging is a good idea. But just because it's easy to do doesn't mean that it doesn't have its risks. The key is to plan carefully and make sure that your guest post is consistent with your voice, your brand, and your goals. For newbie bloggers looking for ways to get notified, guest posting is a fantastic strategy. Many people see guest posting as a way to increase traffic to your site. In truth, this is only a small part of the equation. One of the best parts of guest posting is the way it boosts your search engine rankings. Blogs that accept guest posts tend to do very well in search results because these blogs are perceived to be authoritative and have a high amount of content. Lastly, local SEO. Local business owners want to rank well on Google, and local search engines like Yelp are an excellent place to start. That's because local search results gives you a sense of relevance and proximity to searchers. This is especially helpful for those in industries like real estate, where people have particular needs and wants, and for small businesses looking to increase their exposure and gain customers. Yelp and other local search engines are all about reviews. They are useful if you want your site to show up in relevant search results in a specific area or city. Here are some of the world's top directories are: Facebook, Google My Business, Apple Maps, LinkedIn Directory, Yelp, Bing, Foursquare, HubSpot, Yellow Pages, Yahoo Local. Conclusion. In conclusion, the easiest way to make money online is by following these methods and providing the services on freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour. Thanks for watching.